Put maizena in your hair and look what happens. No joke, it's real. This woman tired of spending so much on beauty products for the hair and solve one of the most common problems due to the little care we give the hair, or also the excess of products that end up damaging it. I applied the following mask that we are sure will fascinate you. Know the following article: a sensational mask to lace your hair and strengthen it. This treatment can be applied on unwashed, that is dirty, hair at night and up to 2 times a week. But many women have already opted to replace their usual conditioner to use this wonderful discovery. Mask for Lace and Hair Regenerator. You can use this mask if you have curly or straight hair. Suggestion before starting: if your hair is oily, do not apply on the scalp. Do it only over the length of your hair. What will we need? 1. A teaspoon of honey or white sugar. 2. 2 tablespoons of maizena. 3. A liter of warm water. 4. A strainer. 5. A spoonful of almond oil. If you do not have it, you can use argan oil or olive oil. 6. 1 spoonful of conditioner. Preparation: 1. Place the water in a bowl and bring to the fire. Once it is hot, but not boiling, add the maizena and stir until the maizena has dissolved. 2. Then turn off the heat and strain the preparation. It is normal that our preparation now looks creamy. Remember to remove all lumps. 3. Add almond oil, honey and conditioner. 4. Mix well so that all ingredients are integrated. 5. Apply over the length of your hair with gentle massages. Then continue on your scalp.